Welcome to LUX AUTO X, where we bring you the finest in automotive design, tech, and performance. Today we're taking an up-close look at a real standout in the full-size SUV segment, the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali, shown here in a striking red finish, sitting confidently on a bright white showroom floor that makes it pop even more. Right off the bat, the Yukon Denali makes a bold statement. That deep red paint catches the light perfectly, showing off every curve and edge of this sculpted body. Up front, you get GMC's signature chrome Denali grille, big, bold, and impossible to miss. The LED headlights are sharp and modern, and the chrome details and massive 24-inch wheels pull the whole look together. It's premium, it's powerful, and it knows it. Walk around it and the size of this SUV really hits you. It's big but balanced. There's nothing bulky or awkward about it. The design feels refined and confident. You've got subtle Denali badging, chrome trim, and power retractable running boards that give it that extra layer of luxury and practicality. Step inside, and the cabin instantly feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. You've got rich leather, seats, real wood accents, and a layout that's clean, modern, and driver-focused. Whether you go with jet black or teak and light shale interiors, everything feels upscale. The stitching, the materials, it's all top-notch. Right in the center is a massive 16.8-inch touchscreen with Google built in. Maps, music, voice commands, it's all fast, intuitive, and right at your fingertips. There's also a 15-inch head-up display that projects key info right onto the windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road. The Yukon Denali seats up to 8, and it does it comfortably. The second-row captain's chairs or bench seats have tons of legroom, and even the third row's roomy enough for adults. There's a power-sliding center console for added storage, and the available panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. Under the hood, the Denali backs up its looks with serious power. A 6.2-liter V8 that pumps out 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic. It's fast when you need it, smooth when you want it, and capable of towing over 8,000 pounds when duty calls. Ride quality is another highlight. Thanks to magnetic ride control and the available Air Ride adaptive suspension, this big SUV floats over bumps, adjusts its height automatically, and gives you a super comfortable, confident driving experience. On the safety side, GMC doesn't cut corners. You've got a full suite of advanced driver assist features, things like HD surround vision, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and even an available night vision system that helps detect people or animals in the dark. At the end of the day, the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali is more than just a big luxury SUV. It's a statement. If you're looking for space, power, style, and serious tech, this one checks all the boxes. And in this deep red finish, under showroom lights and sitting on that glossy white floor, it's hard not to be impressed. Thanks for watching today's walk around. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. More premium rides are coming soon. This is LUX AUTO X, where power meets presence.